Part 2. So guys, I have to be a little fast because there might be a storm coming, so I have to rush this a little bit. I don't know if we're going to be getting to that Y today, but I hope to try to get to it. Just trying to walk fast here, city style. Yeah, it's really sketchy because this is in the middle of the woods. So, trying to rush right now actually. So, sorry if the video is not the best. I can always redo it later on if you want me to. Alright, let's get started. Gonna be getting to that spur soon. It's cool. It's pretty cool. Water stream. Sounds pretty cool. Sometimes I wish, that P-42's coming right now on here. But, in reality, it's not coming. Or 105, or a P-42, or 228. I mean, you always wish they're coming on these abandoned tracks, but they're not. I mean, they're not even bad condition. It's kind of sad that they won't reopen them, but yeah, sad. Make sure to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video on your Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, whatever, so we can get some views on here. We need some views on here so I can continue this series. Only 2 episodes in. I'm sure you guys want to see more of it. If you can't already hear, there's a dam up here. And we will, oh my lord, what is this? I haven't walked on here months now, and so many bad things have happened to this railroad, and it's really sad, because they had a chance a year ago, really had a chance, a couple years ago, 2 years ago, it really had a chance. Now it doesn't really have any chance of reopening because of trees and trucks ramming into the tracks, getting into accidents. I mean, kind of crazy. So anyways, there's a dam, that's Texaco. Anyways, there's a spur coming up on here. Coming up. And we're gonna go look at it. Probably a big portion of this, I will be going to look at the spur. A couple years back, they did remove all the crossing arms. Where it goes ding, 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 ding. On these tracks now they're yield signs and a couple crossing things, and it gets them under that. Just sad. Again, a lot of sad stuff. Here's a spur. Here's a spur. Here's the spur. You can see down there, there's a crossing One day I might go look at that. You guys want me to? You know, I don't understand why they wouldn't be able to use these tracks. Seems ridiculous to me. Why they wouldn't. I guess you can't realize what people do, I guess. MTA info, if you're watching this, consider reopening the Beacon line. Beacon, New York. Fishkill, New York. And Hopewell Junction, New York. Please consider it. Now that's the main line, and this is a spur. Now, I have to start going now, but anyways, that's the spur. If you guys want me to go explore the spur, just comment down below. Alright guys, have a great day. For part 2, we'll probably start at that crossing. Subscribe. And if you would like to see the spur, make sure to like. At 600 views and 20 likes, I will go in those woods and look at the spur. 20 likes, 600 views. That's what I will do. Alright guys, talk to you later.